Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Wonderful Shiba Inu news at last. Today's Shiba Inu Coin news forecasting the price of Shibas. The price of cryptocurrencies continued to rise on October 6th, with Bitcoin trading beyond the $20,000 barrier. The price of the biggest and most widely used cryptocurrency in the world was almost 1% higher at $20,397. The global cryptocurrency market today was back over $1 trillion. According to CoinGecko, it increased by around 1% over the previous day to $1.01 trillion. We will discuss the fantastic Shiba Inu news and Shiba Inu Coin news in this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to view the most recent predictions and analyses on the Shiba industry. Let's start the video now without further ado. The second largest cryptocurrency, which is linked to the Ethereum network, increased by more than 2% to $1,382. The price of Dogecoin was nearly unchanged today at 0.06%. Whereas you were aware that it had decreased by more than 1% to $0.000012. Even though Shiba Inu was one of the worst-hit cryptocurrencies during the last market meltdown, the Shiba Inu price prediction is still uncertain because the currency has established a symmetrical triangular pattern that suggests investor and decision-making activity. Over the past week, the token has made a good recovery. Shiba Inu's price grew by 2 points, or 15%, as per data from CoinMarketCap, making it one of the top 20 performing cryptocurrencies over the past week. The market cap for the live market rose by around $250 million, bringing it to $6.2 billion. The Unchained Stats token overview provides a comprehensive picture of the profit Shiba generated. According to a recent study, 26% of Shib owners are making money at the current price. The official Shiba Inu Twitter account has been promoting the release of a collectible card game that it claims is the most challenging ever, while 69% are losing money and only 5% are breaking even. Shiba Eternity, a highly awaited video game project, will debut on October 6th, according to the announcement. The game's release date was disclosed by worldwide developers during the Edit Twitter Spaces event on September 23rd. The download day's official start date of October 1st has been postponed. Prior to its debut, the game was tested in Australia and Vietnam, where it immediately gained popularity. Shitoshi Kusama, the game's principal inventor, also mentioned that he has been playing the game for a while and is enthusiastic about its release. Meme currencies have long been criticized for providing only an endless supply of tokens to users. Juba wants to find a solution to this issue. Shiba Eternity is an accomplishment. Shib, which has already increased tremendously, may be significantly impacted by the game's utility. The Shib team is participating in a number of civic-minded initiatives. Two of the attempts to create scarcity were Shibarium, which will soon be available, and Shiba Eternity, a video game, or Shiba Inu Burning, and the Burn initiative strives to remove shame from circulation by diverting it to inactive wallets. Shibarium recently outlined the three main ways the platform burns Shib in a tweet on October 4th. The first method is to visit the Shib Burn website. Shared Burn Radio is the second strategy. Third, users can pay to join Twitter Super using their following on the platform, and they can use that money to support Twitter Super in its efforts to burn more shit. Demand will rise as a result of this burning process, driving up Shib prices. The share price is at $0.000011, and there were 278,059,395 in trades during the previous day. Shiba Inu numbers have dropped by 0.9 to 1%, as you are aware. With a live market cap of $6,247,761,700, the coin market cap is currently ranked 14th in the past 24 hours. There are 549,263,278,876,302 shaped coins in circulation. Unknown is the maximum supply. The 50-day moving average has provided immediate support for Shiba Inu around $0.00001119. A bearish crossover below the 50 MA will almost probably send Shib to $0.00001093. Shib can drop below the triple bottom support level of $0.00001093 and into the $0.00001051 area depending on the next level of support and the selling pressure. Shiba Inu has the potential to trade bullish given the strong fundamentals. Hence, the chances of a bullish trend continuation remain high above $0.00001111. The main barrier to passage is close around $0.00001115. If this level is broken, the market can switch to $0.00001195 buyers. Shib's burning mechanism keeps setting records, once even hitting rates in the 4-digit range. The token's growth was influenced by a variety of factors, such as buying binges due to the discounted prices, new upgrades, and the ecosystem. Schubert, you were aware of the meme. The 24-hour timeline saw crypto watch its abandoned token burning campaign reach a new burn rate high. The token burned close to 200 million coins, and the burn rate increased by approximately 3,000%. Shib burn data revealed that a small group of whales burned millions of Shib tokens by themselves. When it comes to whales, they continue to accumulate flagship tokens at a remarkable rate. 2 whales alone took up positions in the Shiba Inu ecosystem valued millions in just the last 2 days. These enormous creatures obtained about 700 billion Shib, which is worth more than $8.6 million. Another new wallet was made by one of these whales to add 541 billion tokens, totaling more over $6.6 million. According to whale statistics, significant Ethereum holders also made large sums of Shiba Inu their own. According to this estimate, 2,000 of the biggest Ethereum whales currently hold Shiba Inu coins valued at $160 million. Shib's discontinued pricing generally harmed its mission and raised awareness of the main token. Shiba Inu really rose to the top of the list of the most intriguing crypto assets for users on all continents, according to a CoinMarketCap survey of the cryptocurrency industry for August. Yes, some crypto enthusiasts were impressed by the chip's burning rate. The price, however, was still unable to regain the previous impetus. Another 2% correction was experienced by the 14th ranked altcoin as it traded at the $0.000012 level. Lead developer Shitoshi Kusama Shibs offered a strategy for the Shib army to use in order to burn Shibs quickly and raise costs. Shibarium, a Layer 2 scalability solution that could be the solution to burning the last of the Shibs still in circulation, was launched by Shiba Inu. The future project would include the Shib metaverse and stablecoins based on the Shib protocol. Shiba Inu's governance token bone trading volume unexpectedly increased by almost 205%, according to statistics from the market capitalization of the Shiba Inu currency. But when the price continued to fall, many began to wonder what was going on at the time of publishing, and at one point, bone was being traded. $12 less, 13 fewer, or 47% within the previous day. Any asset with higher volatility often has higher trading volumes, as seasoned traders make massive purchases and sales in order to profit. In a similar vein, investors seeking to purchase bone at its current price may have contributed to the increase in bone volume. It's possible that those traders were rushing to seize the chance that the recent price volatility presented. The total number of units traded between buyers and sellers, or trading volume, was, according to some observers, an unreliable predictor of investor posture. In August, Bowen was one of the top gainers after crossing the $2 threshold and reaching a 2-point annual high on August 30th for $39. Shortly after reaching its top, the price of Bowen started to decrease and move into a range. At the end of September, bulls were unable to hold above the $1.63 level, which led to further declines. Although the precise cause of the dump is still unknown, many believe it was caused by apprehension about the launch of the Shibarium satellite. Despite some decline in its ecology, the Shiba Inu team working on its metaverse launched a new update, and the blog post published on October 4th introduces the canyon art concept to its audience. Even though the upgrade may have delighted certain members of the community, some investors might not see anything special about it compared to other developments taking place in the ecosystem. With a 10% drop in 24-hour trading volume to $179.49 million after the release, Shib's volume was far from exhibiting anticipation indicators. There was hardly any sign that the status shift purchasers were getting closer to taking control and stabilizing the Shib price against red candles. However, the directional movement indicators showed that at the time of publication, Shib sellers and purchasers were competing for relevance. While the negative DMI was 17 points, the positive DMI was 18 points. The average directional indicator, ADX, showed weak strength to sustain the bullish signal's slight advantage, with the ADX below 25 at 12.04. Given that the money flow index Shib displayed strong buying momentum at 57.07, there was a significant likelihood that bearish momentum was imminent. Shib investors appeared motivated to maintain the RSI condition and pump more liquidity. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.